How to fix World App restricted account. Now, this is going to be case-to-case basis issue scenario. Now, say for example, the specific customer chat support icon is not or currently not visible on your application if you're using this via the Google Play Store. The actual logo is actually like this one right here. So you're still able to access your World app application, however, you won't be able to log in into your account. But this specific icon right here is still visible. But there are certain types of restrictions that you will encounter depending on the issue. So as you can see, there are specific restrictions in which you won't be able to reach out contacting customer service using the World app. However, if this specific restriction is not happening on your account, it's just that your account is not accessible or you won't be able to log it in because it is fully restricted, then all you have to do is to reach the contact support. To do so, just simply open the World App application, go to settings, and then just simply tap on this specific icon right here, and then just simply be specific as much as possible on why your account got restricted. And that is how you fix your account has been restricted on World App.